Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Clash of Clans on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Clash of Clans on an Android device, but the process will be very similar on your Apple device. So first, open up the Play Store app on your mobile device. Once that's open, click on the search button in the bottom of the screen. And now at the top of the screen where it says search apps and games, click in there and type in Clash of Clans. Then hit search. And then on my screen, just below the sponsored app at the top, the next one down is called Clash of Clans. So it has 55 million reviews. And it's got the Clash of Clans logo and it's from Supercell, so ensure that you're downloading the correct app. So just click on the install button and then wait for that to download. Once that's downloaded 100%, it will start installing the app on your device automatically. So now that process is finished, and all you need to do is click on play to open up the app and start playing the game. And that's what it takes to download and install Clash of Clans on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.